In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can create QR codes. That's totally useful based on your needs. You can create different things with using these QR codes. As an example, if you have a local business or if you have online business, you can create a QR code for one of your videos and set it in your business card. Okay, when someone scans it, he can see that video. And you can do a bunch of other things with using these QR codes. As an example, you can create a QR code for your Wi-Fi password. So that's cool. Let's jump to the screen. I'm going to upload a video into my Google Drive. As an example, you can upload videos, you can upload audios, you can upload photos, anything that you want. And after that, I will copy the link of that and jump into the QR code creators websites. So the first thing that we need to do is I will go into my Google Drive. As you can see, I have two videos in here. I'm going to copy the link of the first one. Okay. If you click on this option and press share, and press on copy link, you can easily copy the link of the video, but you need to do another thing after you copy the link into this website. You need to open your link in another tab, and as you can see, when you click on the share, no one can access with this link, only you can access with it. You need to change it and set it on anyone with the link, so anyone with the link can view this video. So that's a cool thing. I recommend you to set it as viewer and copy the link and press on done. Right now your video link is ready and you mustn't be worried about anything because all of the files that you want to share and create a QR code for that is saved onto your Google Drive, and it means that's a lifetime QR code. So that's a cool thing. I recorded this video 2 years ago. Did my face change? If it's changed, type it in the comment section. The first QR code maker website is Record Monkey. I'm going to jump into the Record Monkey website. This is the Record Monkey. In here, you need to paste your own URL. That's a pre-written URL. You need to delete that one and paste your one. And if you press on set colors, on the set color part, you can choose a single color. You can change it and have a gradient color, and you can also have custom eye color. So let me play with these colors. If you press create QR code, you will see the result in here. Okay, you need to wait a bit. Okay, right now your QR code is like this. If you press add logo image, you can upload your own logo if you have a business, but if you don't have it, you can select the things, and if you want, you can also upload a picture instead of the logo. And if you press customize design, you can do a bunch of other things. As an example, I will change the body shape into this, and I will change the frame into this, and I will change the eyeball shape, these are the eyeball shapes, into a circle. Again, I press create QR code and I will see this result. Okay, maybe I will change the color. Maybe I will change this eye color into purple, and again press on create QR code. If you drag this into a high quality, you can have a better quality of this QR code. Again, I press create QR code, and after that I press download PNG. You can also download SVG, PDF, and these other formats, but I really like to have the PNG file. We learned how to create a QR code with using Record Monkey, and right now it's time to create a QR code with using QR code generator website. This is the website. If you scroll, you can paste your URL. I paste it. And if you press on set colors, you can change the color. You can also have a gradient one and set it on radial. You can choose the second color into blue. And I will change it into the red. Okay. For the background color, I don't change the white one. If you press transparent background, that's a cool option. If you press customize design, you can again customize your QR code and do the things that we did onto the previous website that the name of that is Record Monkey. So with this way, you can have a cool QR code. You can also add logo, you can add frames, and you can also press on set option and change it into approximate 30%. Okay, these things. All done, we learned how to create lifetime QR codes. If you like this type of content, don't forget to press the subscribe button. With this way, you can help us to achieve 1K subs. You can also watch this video, and that one, I'm going to tell you how you can speed up searching between your files in Windows operating system. See you at the next time.